Hello guys, welcome to Spyro 365. Today I am going to show you how to crop video in Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's start. So if we want to apply crop effect from effects panel, and if we change the parameter of the crop effect from the left option, there you can see we can crop by this way. If you want to make an animation, insert the keyframe up here. You can see we have applied the crop and animate it. We can do the crop by the opacity option here. If you zoom out the preview panel and make a mask here, by this way, if you click inverted, so by this way you can crop also. If you want to make an animation here, can do the animation also. So that's it for today. If you love and enjoy our video, please like, comment and share this one. Do not forget to subscribe our channel to get more tips and tricks in Adobe Premiere Pro. Thank you.